Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Fuzzy Wuzzy. I'm going to show you a few different types of wool, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the wool roving, or wool tops as it's also known as. The fibres all run in the same direction, like combed hair, like our own hair. You can use this for things like fairy dresses and hair or fur. If you're looking to felt it flat onto a 3D project, I would recommend using carded wool for that. You can use it, but it does take a lot longer to felt that smooth finish. So next I'm going to show you the carded wool. This is a mesh of fibres. This is the Perendale range. It's a medium coarse wool. There is a finer wool available, which is the merino. This one's 23 microns, so it's quite fine and leaves a lovely smooth finish. I'll try and show you the differences here. So you can see that the finer wool is on the right hand side, which is the merino, and the Perendale coarse wool is on the left. So the next one is the carded saliva. It's been carded again like the bats I've just shown you, but it's been put into a long rope which is known as the saliva, which is great for wrapping around armature, also good for 2D and 3D. So I'm going to show you some core wools. This is the mixed breed saliva. It's the most popular one that I've got. It's really good for wrapping around armature and it felt super fast. This is the mixed breed core wool, great for 3D projects. This is the dark core wool, Jacob saliva, it felts really quickly as well. And this is the Corriedale core wool, it leaves a smoother finish for your projects. The Fuzzy Wuzzy felting needles start from a 32G and go up to a 42G. The 32G is usually where you would start if you were doing a project, and you would move up the scale of the needles as your project gets firmer, and you would finish off with the 42G. Now I'm just going to show you some of the tools and accessories available. please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It ensures that you don't miss any future videos or free tutorials. Thank you for watching and supporting my small business.